Welcome to my chemistry channel, Short and Sweet in Chemistry BL Das. Also, I want to welcome again brief session of 11th class Organic Chemistry. Under basic concept part 1 homologous series explained in my previous video. Similarly, part 2 nomenclature also explained in previous video. Now, here part 3 isomerism. Let us start isomerism. Now I will explain isomerism. So what is isomerism? Same molecular formula but different arrangement of atoms. If the different arrangement of atoms, different properties, physical and chemical properties are different. Now these compounds are called isomers and the process phenomenon that is called isomerism. Then what is isomerism? Isomerism means same molecular formula but different arrangement of atoms having different physical and chemical properties, and that is why, and the process is called isomerism. Phenomenon is called isomerism. Now isomerism that is divided in two parts. One is structural isomerism. There are two types of isomerism. One is structural isomerism, another is stereoisomerism. Stereoisomerism, that means here the arrangement of atom, different arrangement of atom in space. They have the same molecular formula but different arrangement of atoms in space. That is why these are two types again. One is geometrical isomerism, other one is optical isomerism. In later class I will explain this one. Now isomerism comes to structural isomerism. One is structural, other one is stereo. In structural isomerism is one having same molecular formula but different structure. What is structural isomerism? Same molecular formula but different structures. In structural isomerism also there are how many? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 type of isomerisms are under structural isomerism. Now here what happened? Structural isomerism, one chain isomerism, position isomerism, functional isomerism, metamerism. In chain isomerism, the carbon skeleton different. Position isomerism, position of the functional group different. And functional isomerism, functional groups are different. And metamerism with functional group, either side of the functional group, the number of carbon atoms are different. Now all number of alkyl groups are different. Now here come to chain isomerism. Now structural isomerism, under structural isomerism, first one is chain isomerism. Then what is chain isomerism? Same molecular formula but different carbon skeleton. If the same molecular formula and carbon skeleton are different, that means substance are different and substance are attached, then this is called chain isomerism. Now see, let us start one example. 1, 2, 3, 4, that is here 4 carbon atoms having butane, 4 carbon atoms, so the structure is butane, the name is butane because this is the alkane butane. Now if you put one CH3 group in position 2, then what happened? Having same molecular formula, the formula remains same, but here in 2 position there is a CH3 group, whereas here it is a straight chain and here it is a chain in the position 2, carbon 2 position. That is why what is the name? 2-methyl propane, because 1, 2, 3 in 2 position methyl group present, so it is 2-methyl propane. The next is, what is common name? What is common name of this? This is called 1, 2, 3, 4, total 4 number of carbon atoms, so it is known as isobutane. When iso word is add, then you will see total number of carbon atoms. Here 4 carbon atoms, so it is isobutane. Again see, this is 4 carbon atoms, alkane, that is butane, and here it is the branch chain, that is CH3 group present in carbon 2 position, that is why name is 2-methyl propane. So it is known as isobutane. Then here, then come to pentane. Now here see, how many carbon atoms? 5 carbon atoms, and here it is pentane because CH3, CH2, 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 CH3, that is pentane. C5 CH12. So what happened here also same molecular formula, but what is difference between these two? Here in second position there is a CH3 group. Now see, in second position there is a CH3 group. That is why here what happened? 1, 2, 3, 4. The long chain is 4 carbon atom. In second position there is a methyl group. So what is the IUPAC name? 2-methyl butane. What is the IUPAC name? 2-methyl butane. So this is known as isopentane by common name. Why it is isopentane? Because this is the combination CH3. This is called iso. The combination CH3. It is known as iso, and total number of carbon atoms, that is 5. That is why it is isopentane. Again come to next example. See next example, here 6 carbon atoms. Now this is called hexane because CH3, CH2, that is hexane. Now what happens here? It's chain isomer. Again see in position number 2 there is a methyl group. So it is the known as 2-methyl. And what is the long chain? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 2-methyl and pentane. Because why it is pentane? Because here 5 carbon atoms in long chain. In 2 position there is a methyl group. So it is known as 2-methyl pentane. And what is that common name? Isohexane, because this is the iso condition, and here total number of carbon atoms, that is 6. So it is known as isohexane. Again next example where there is a double bond, and since 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now here what? Here one CH2 to be cancelled. So it is CH3, CH2, CH2. Then it is known as but1-ene. Why? Because 1, 2, 3, 4, that is but, and after 1 there is a double bond. So it is known as but1-ene. And 1, 2, 3, 4, total number of carbon atoms 4. So it is but. But there is a double bond after 1 carbon, that is why it is but1-ene. Here also you see now in second position there is a methyl group. In second position you count from this side because double bond here 1, 2, 3. In 2 position there is a methyl group. So what is the name? 2-methyl propene. Why propene? The double bond present in after 1 carbon, so it is propene, and long chain that is containing 3 carbon atoms, so it is propene. And now in 2 position there is a methyl group, so it is known as 2-methyl propene. Again see, isomerisms are 2 types. One is structural, another is stereo and structural. Structural means here same molecular formula but structures are different, and here same molecular formula, different arrangement of atoms in space, that is different. That means here stereo means the arrangement of atom in space different, and there are 2 types of stereo isomerism. One is geometrical, other one is optical. Later we will see this one. And now come to structural. Structural isomerism means same molecular formula but the structure is different. Then under structural isomerism, what are the other isomerism here under structural isomerism? Chain isomerism, position isomerism, functional isomerism, metamerism. Chain isomerism, you come to chain isomerism here the same molecular formula, different carbon skeleton. Different carbon skeleton means there should be some branch chain. That means example here butane, and you can take in second position there is a methyl group, so it is known as 2-methyl propane, and now it is called isobutane. Similarly pentane, since it contains 5 carbon atoms, that is alkane, so pentane, and then now both are same molecular formula. And what is its chain isomer? In second position there is a methyl group, so what is the IUPAC name? 2-methyl. And what is the long chain? 4 carbon, so 2-methyl butane. And what is the common name? Isobutane. pentane. Now next come to hexane. In hexane, what happened? What is its chain isomer? Here you can put in second position there is a CH3 group, so it is 2-methyl pentane, and that is called isohexane. Now here containing 4 carbon atoms, and after one there is a double bond, that is why it is called but1ene. That means here what is its chain isomer? Now in second position there is a methyl group, so here you can write what is the IUPAC name, 2-methyl propene. Now that means these both pair are chain isomers. These two pair are called chain isomers, and the process, the phenomenon is called chain isomerism. Now we will see other examples of chain isomerism. Before that also you know what is chain isomerism, and here you will see other 2 examples. Let us start. It is 1, 2, 3, 4. That means having one OH group in one position carbon, so it is known as butanol. But what? Butan-1-ol. Why butan-1-ol? Because in one position there is a OH group, so butan-1-ol. And here in 1, 2, 3, in 2 position there is a methyl group, and that is why the IUPAC name 2-methyl propanol, because the house, that is own house, the long chain, that is 3 carbon having OH, that is why 2-methyl propanol. And what is the common name? Isobutyl alcohol. Why is iso? Because the combination of this group CH3, CH, CH3, I told before also, if this is the combination, then what is the name here? Name is iso. Isobutyl alcohol. That means this the combination is isobutyl alcohol in one position OH group, so it is isobutyl alcohol. And what is the IUPAC name? 2-methyl propanol. Similarly, when chlorine is attached to one position carbon, then what happens? It is known as 1-chlorobutane. Why 1-chlorobutane? Because there are 4 carbon atoms, and in one position there is a chlorine, 1-chlorobutane. Now here what is its chain isomer? Chain isomer, if I will put the CH3 group, one methyl group, one substituent in position 2, then what is the name? 2-methyl chloropropane. 2-methyl chloropropane. And what is the IUPAC name? Second isobutyl chloride, because 1, 2, 3, 4, that means iso position here, that is why isobutyl chloride. And what is IUPAC name? 2-methyl chloropropane. Then come to position isomerism. What is meant by position isomerism? Same molecular formula but different position of the functional group. The functional group may be double, triple bond, OH, anything that having different position, then it is called position isomerism, and the compounds are known as position isomer, and the phenomenon is known as position isomerism. Now let us see example. In but1ene, see, after 1 there is a double bond, so it is but1ene having 4 carbon atoms, and now here you can observe after 2 there is a double bond, so it is but2ene. Now here after 2 there is a double bond, so it is but2ene. Now here only position are different, position of double bond is different, that is why they are position isomers. Now here but1-wine. Why? Because after 1 there is a triple bond having 4 carbon atom, that is but1-wine, and here but2-wine, because after 2 there is a double bond, so it is but2-wine. Then here you can see both are position isomers because position of triple bond different. Now come to alcohol group. Now 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 carbons are there in one position. The OH group is there, so its name is butan-1-ol. But when you see the alcohol group on the second position, second carbon, then what happened? This is known as butan-2-ol, because in 2 position carbon there is a OH group, and what is the common name? Because it is called secondary butyl alcohol, because this is the secondary carbon. To the secondary carbon, OH group is attached having 4 carbon long chain. That is why secondary butyl alcohol, and IPS name butan-2-ol. Then come to functional isomerism. What is in functional isomerism? Same molecular formula but different functional group. Here you will check what are the functional group and where their molecular formula is same or not. Now first example, you see the first example here, OH group is there where its isomer contain ether group. Now see here different functional group, they are having same molecular formula but here the functional groups are different. So these two are functional isomers. Now let us check. Ethanol, because it is OH group and 2 carbon, ethanol. And here 2 carbon, okay, but here in middle there is a ether group. So what is the name? Methoxymethane. And what is the common name? Methyl 2 times, so it is dimethyl ether. What is the common name? Dimethyl ether. What is the IPS name? Methoxymethane. Second example, CH3CH2CHO, propanol. Why propanol? Because 1, 2, 3 having CHO group, that is why propanol. And its functional isomers, here keto group is present instead of aldehyde, it is keto group. So CH3C double bond O CH3, propanone. What is the IPS name? Propanone. What is the common name? Both side methyl group present, so dimethyl ketone. So here the propanol and propanone both are functional isomers. Then come to metamerism. Metamerism, same molecular formula but different number of carbon atoms on either side of the functional group. Now you see on either side, this side it is ethyl, this side it is ethyl, but when it's isomer, metamer, you see this side propyl, this side methyl. That means if the number of carbon atoms on either side of the functional group, that means right side and left side, both are different, that they show metamerism. Example 1, let us see here ethyl group is present, this side ethyl group and that side ethyl group. That means O in middle, right side ethyl group, left side ethyl group. Right side 2 carbon, left side also 2 carbon. And what is the name? Ethoxyethane. And what is the its metamer? Its metamer, this side only, left side only methyl group and right side there are 3 carbon atoms, propyl group. So what is the IPS name? Methoxypropane, because it is the long chain of 3 carbon, so methoxypropane. What is here common name? Here common name is methyl propyl ether. Here what is the common name? Diethyl ether, because both side diethyl present, common name diethyl ether, its metamer, that is methyl propyl ether. Come to second example. In second example you can see keto group is present. Right side only methyl and left side there is a propyl group. So what is the IPS name? Since it is keto group, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In 2 position carbon, 2 position there is a keto group. So name is pentan-2-one, because in 2 position that is keto group present. Pentan-2-one. What is the common name? This side ethyl, this side methyl, this side propyl. So methyl propyl ketone. Methyl propyl ketone. Then comes to its metamer. Then what is that? This side ethyl group, this side ethyl, this side ethyl. So this side 2 carbon, right side 2 carbon and left side also 2 carbon. That is why its name is 1, 2, 3. In 3 position keto group, pentan-3-one. Pentan-3-one. And both side ethyl group present. So common name is diethyl ketone. What is the common name? Diethyl ketone. Now we can see metamerism, same molecular formula but different number of carbon atoms on either side of the functional group. You can check first example, both sides are 2, 2 and its metamer, one side is 1 carbon and other side is 3 carbons. Similarly, next example, one side 1 carbon, one side 3 carbon, wherein go to metamer, one side 2, on other side 2. So these are metamers of the examples of metamers. Now again see position isomers, the position of the functional group is different, that is why here 1 position there is a double bond, after 2 position there is a double bond, and here after 1 position there is a double bond, after 1 position there is a triple bond, after 2 there is a triple bond. Similarly, this is called alcohol group, and alcohol group OH group in 1 position carbon, and here it is 2 position carbon, that is why here it is follows meta position isomerism, and they are position isomers. Then functional isomerism, same molecular formula but different functional groups should be present. Now you see here alcohol group OH group, and here O ether group, and here aldehyde group CHO, and here that is CO keto group. Metamerism, only the number of atoms on either side should be different. These are the examples of metamers.